Hello everyone, I'm Gianna. Welcome to the release review meeting for the AlertBuddies application, a mobile platform designed to enhance safety by sending emergency alerts through its SOS and WatchMe features. Sarah is here to provide a detailed overview of the app's functionality and updates. Please feel free to ask questions or share your thoughts. Sarah, over to you to guide us through the presentation.
Hi, thank you, Gianna. Hi, everyone. I am Sarah John. I will explain you how the SOS feature works in the AlertBuddy app. The user can log into the app by using the registered phone number or email address. Once the user log into the app, they can add their buddies. Let me show you how to add the buddies into the app. So this is the home screen, and after login, the user can add their buddies. From the left menu, there will be an option add buddies. Then the user can search with the phone number and email address. Then they can send the buddy request. Once they add the buddies, they can list the buddies in the My Buddies page. So buddies are the people who will receive alerts when you trigger SOS or WatchMe. Then from the home page, the user can trigger SOS or WatchMe. SOS means they can instantly send an alert when you are in a danger. Then WatchMe means we can set a timer. Then when the timer expires, the SOS is automatically triggered. So let's see this SOS feature. The user can click on the SOS button and trigger the SOS. Once the user triggers the SOS, all of the user's buddy will get alerts via SMS, calls, emails, and notifications. So the buddies can take immediate actions based upon receiving these alerts. The alerts will send to your buddies at a specific intervals determined by the subscription plans chosen by the logged in user. The alerts will stop once you mark yourself as safe or any of the buddies mark yourself as safe. So to mark yourself as safe, you need to verify by your PIN. So to mark yourself as safe, you need to verify your PIN. So you can click on this mark yourself safe button and you can enter the secret PIN. Then this means you are marking yourself as safe. Same way, the user can trigger the WatchMe timer. The user can set a timer by dragging or tapping the timer. Then if you need to cancel, you can click on the cancel WatchMe button. Then after the timer expires, the SOS is automatically triggered. So currently the timer is running. It is 33 seconds are pending. So once the timer expires, an SOS will be automatically triggered to your buddies. So let's wait for some time. Yeah, currently the WatchMe is triggered. Then here also the same way, all of your buddies will get notifications, emails, and SMS based on your when you are in a danger. So you can see the buddies list. So currently I have 2 buddies. So all these 2 buddies will get email, SMS, and a notification, and also calls also they will get based on the intervals. Here also the user can mark as safe by entering the PIN. So this is actually the SOS and WatchMe feature on the AlertBuddy application. Then let's see how to monitor your friends. So here you can see the Friends tab. Here you can see the friends who are the users who added you as your buddy. Then if any of the friends trigger the SOS or watch me, the user can see the triggered status. If a friend trigger the SOS or watch me, the user can see the triggered status in the friend list. So currently the Tina Tom has triggered the SOS. So the logged in user can see that Tina Tom has triggered the SOS feature. Then here also the logged in user can see the friends tab is highlighted in red color. Once any of the SOS or watch me triggered, the logged in user can see the button friends tab as red color. Also, in this also, all of the buddies of Tina will get the notifications, SMS and emails. Then the user can navigate to the detail page to review the alerts, and they have an option to mark as seen or mark as safe. Once marked as seen, no further alerts are sent for the corresponding buddy. Then once the mark is safe, all the buddies receive alerts regarding the safe information and the triggered status will be removed. So once we click on this mark as safe, all of these buddies of Tina Tom will get a notification regarding the safe information. Also, the user can see the histories like SOS triggered or watch me triggered. The details will be listed on the. Also, here there will be a history option. For the history tab, the user can see all the details like SOS, watch me, triggered details. We can see. The triggered details include such as SOS and watch me alerts, the cancelled details, watch me extended details, then mark as safe, mark as seen. All these details will be included in the history page. Also, when a user trigger SOS or watch me, the app collects their location details and display a route line on the map. Include the movement of the user. Suppose when a user When a user trigger SOS or watch me, the app collects their location details and displays a route line on the map to indicate the movement. Here we can see the line on the map. That means this indicate the user's movement after triggering the SOS and watch me. So this is the basic feature of AlertBuddy application. Mainly the app allows the user to trigger the SOS or watch me. Then also they can monitor a user from the friends detail page, and they can mark them as a safe, and they can watch all their histories details also we can collect. So this is from my side. Thank you for your participation. Please feel free to ask questions.
Hi Sarah, this is Nova. I have a question. What happens if the user enables the SOS or Watch Me feature without enabling their location service?
Okay, so once a user trigger the SOS or watch me, the buddies will get SMS, emails, and notification. Without, suppose the user didn't on the location, then also the user will get these alerts. But on the detail page, there won't be any location details. On the history page, they won't get any location details. That will be happen if they didn't on the location.
Hi Sarah, Edward this side. I have a clarification on marking a user as safe. If I trigger an SOS or WatchMe alert and none of my buddies mark me as safe, what happens next?
Yeah. So the alert will send to the buddies by a subsequent intervals based on the subscription plans. So if any of the buddies didn't mark as safe, so after the 3 days, it will automatically stop by the application. So for the 3 days, they will get the alerts through email, calls, and SMS. And still they didn't mark as safe, the application will stop the alerts after 3 days.
Okay.
Thank you, Sarah, for providing such a comprehensive overview of the AlertBuddies application. Your insights have greatly enhanced our understanding of its features and potential. We genuinely appreciate everyone's active participation today. Thank you all for taking the time to attend and engage in this release review.